This is Colin O'Keefe for LXPN TV and Texas Bar TV. As part of our advanced coverage of the State Bar of Texas annual meeting, I am joined now from Austin by attorney Michelle Cheng. She is with Whitehurst, Harkness, Breeze, and Cheng, and she is chair of the Texas Bar's Web Services Committee, and she is also chairing a grievance committee as well. Michelle, first, tell me about your experience with the Texas Bar annual meetings. What have you seen in the past, and what are you looking forward to this year?
Oh, well, I've been to the annual meeting quite a few times over the years. In the last, probably 4 or 5 years, we've been doing a track called the Adaptable Lawyer Track, which is sort of focused on using technology in your practice. And I've really, really enjoyed that. It's been so much, it's very interesting and I think very cutting edge, especially for a state bar to be doing a program like that. So that's what I'm most looking forward to. And this year we're actually doing a series of sessions patterned after Ignite, so little 5-minute sessions of interesting ideas that people are presenting, and I'm really looking forward to seeing those as well.
Those are always interesting. Those Ignite sessions, of course, these slides and the presentations automatically move forward, so speakers have to move quickly to keep up. And second, talking a little bit about something we spoke on offline, what is your experience using social media in a non-legal form, so not a law blog and not as an attorney, but what is your experience using social media like that to bring in work? Is that something that's really overlooked by lawyers?
Well, I think so. I think it is a little bit overlooked by lawyers, and I think that, really networking is all about relationships, no matter in what context that you're developing them in. And so over the years, I've really, not necessarily intentionally, but because I've just enjoyed it more as a hobby than anything else, been very involved in social media on sites like Yelp, which is not exactly where you think of doing networking. I also read a food blog called Foodie is the New 40 and have met a ton of people in the food community that way. And when you're out and about in ways that you're passionate about but aren't necessarily in legal context, I think that's just another way to build relationships. And it's not like you're out with a bunch of lawyers, so when people need a lawyer, they think of you, they're more likely to think of you. So I think it's just been, for me, a really excellent way to network and build relationships and surprisingly get business in a way that you wouldn't normally think of.
Absolutely. Lawyers seem to always be looking for that new and easy piece of marketing, and sometimes even the gimmicks, but they often overlook the fact that you simply need to build a network of referrals and build a network of relationships. That could be online or off. It can be in the law, or it may not have to be. Once again, that was Michelle Cheng of Whitehurst, Harkness, Breeze, and Cheng. For more of our LXPN TV and Texas Bar TV coverage of the State Bar of Texas annual meeting, be sure to visit us at both LXPN.com and it's available at TexasBarToday.com as well. Thanks for joining me today, Michelle.
Thank you so much, Colin.